Hi everyone, this is a short video on GST refunds. Normally when you start a new business, maybe you are buying a franchise, you bought 7-Eleven franchise, or you bought any store, or even if you start online business, you have to incur very heavy expenses whenever you start a business. Maybe you buy furniture, or you bought a lot of computers, or you buy even your stock. Let's say you are selling mobile phones, or you are selling cameras, and you have to buy a heavy stock. You have to spend a lot of money on the stock, and first few months maybe there is no sales or very less sales. Then in that case you get a GST refund. The government has to pay you for the GST refund. Now, can we claim a GST refund? Yes, we can claim a GST refund, but I have mentioned here two important things which you should keep in mind in case you are claiming GST refund. The first thing is you should have a tax invoice. So any payments you have made to your suppliers, let's say you bought a computer, like you bought about 10 computers, so you should have tax invoice. The payment is not enough. You paid 20,000 to buy 20 computers. That payment is not enough. You need to have a tax invoice from supplier. Always ask your supplier to issue you a tax invoice and then make the payment. That is the right approach. Don't wait for tax invoice later, because he might not give you. So ask for a tax invoice and then make a payment. Number one. And number two is the source of fund. Now you bought 7-Eleven store, or you bought a McDonald's, or some other big franchise. You bought for 550,000. You paid approximately 50,000 GST. Now when you claim a refund of 50,000, Australian Taxation Office will ask you what was the source of fund. Where did you get 550,000? You were not earning for last 10 years. So how come you paid 550,000? So you should have a clear source of fund, that how did you pay. They are going to definitely ask your source of fund. My recommendation is that put maximum on loan. So if you are taking loan of 550, if you are paying 550,000 for business, take as much loan as possible. If possible, entire loan 550,000. That explains source of fund. Why? Because you have a loan document showing that the loan amount was 550. So that explains source of fund. You don't have to show that I paid 10,000 from here, I paid 5,000 from my wife account, my friend from overseas helped me. No, you got source of fund entire amount, so that serves the purpose. But in case you have not taken entire loan, then keep in mind you need to keep all the sources of fund with you, because the tax office is going to ask definitely that what was the source of fund, how did you pay that 550,000. In case you cannot give them a source of fund, they might even audit you. In case you can only explain half of it, so they are going to ask you, how did you make the payment for the balance? So you can come into big trouble. They might audit your accounts for last 5 years. They can do anything. It's not worth it. So whenever you make big payments, especially on new purchases, especially when you start a company and you make big payments and you want to claim a refund, then ensure that you have the tax invoice from all the suppliers, and you have the source of fund, clear source of funds in your record. In case you have any other question, just register on our website and we will be happy to answer any question. Our accountants will give you a call same day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.